Bitcoin surged following news from the United States. Bitcoin has begun to align with the views of traditional investors who have recently entered the digital asset world thanks to the introduction of United States exchange-traded Bitcoin funds, ETFs. This was reported by Bloomberg. The main cryptocurrency increased in value at the end of the week after state data showed a smaller than expected increase in employment in the United States. This reignited expectations of interest rate cuts, enhancing the attractiveness of speculative assets, including cryptocurrency. Bitcoin jumped by about 7% to $62,937 on Friday, which helped lift the prices of smaller cryptocurrencies such as Ether, Solana, and even meme coins like Dogecoin. Previously, on May 1st, Bitcoin had fallen to $56,527, its lowest level in approximately 2 months. Lawyer rules out early conditional release for Sam Bankman-Fried. The founder and former CEO of the bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX will not be able to leave prison on early conditional release and will spend more than 20 years in custody. This was reported by lawyer Carlo D'Angelo, who specializes in legal cases in the crypto industry. According to him, Sam Bankman-Fried will spend at least 21 years in prison. This corresponds to 85% of the term that defendants in financial crimes typically serve. The lawyer also ruled out the possibility of the former billionaire being pardoned by the President of the United States, either the incumbent or the one elected in November 2024. However, Bankman-Fried does have a single way to slightly reduce his sentence. To do this, he needs to obtain good time status from the Federal Bureau of Prisons, which allows for early release from the date specified in the sentence. Here, the former head of FTX will have to demonstrate good behavior and avoid disciplinary sanctions. However, even such status will not significantly affect Bankman-Fried's prison term, the lawyer believes. Recall that on April 28, 2024, the former billionaire was sentenced to 25 years in prison on charges of fraud, financial manipulation, money laundering, and criminal conspiracy. Bankman-Fried's lawyers considered this term too harsh and appealed the court's verdict. According to the lawyers of the FTX founder, the maximum term for his crimes should not exceed 6.5 years. Solana, a breath of fresh air among Solana-based meme coins. The world of cryptocurrencies can sometimes seem daunting, with complex concepts, technical jargon, and volatile markets that may discourage newcomers from taking the plunge into the industry. Established projects offer stability but often fail to deliver substantial profits to attract new users. It is here that meme coins, with their carefree approach and active communities, step into the limelight. Solana, a rising star in the crypto sky, launched on the Solana network in early 2024, aims to be more than just another meme coin. Its team is creating a fun and passionate community through several key initiatives, shaping a space where users can learn, interact, and potentially benefit from the project's growth. Building trust through transparency. Establishing trust is crucial in the crypto industry, where fraud and uncertainty thrive, and the Solana team takes transparency seriously. The project's tokenomics are detailed on their website, showing the total number of Solana tokens and their distribution, allowing potential investors to make informed decisions based on accurate information rather than just hype or speculation. Solana understands that a fun and interactive experience can make a significant difference, so they are creating an endless runner game themed around llamas, reminiscent of popular mobile games like Subway Surfers. Community spirit with Solana Trends. The official Solana merchandise store, Solana Trends, offers numerous ways to express support for the Solana project. It features a variety of merchandise, from unique llama-themed clothing to fun accessories. A Solana t-shirt or a phone case with a llama image is a way to connect with other community members and show enthusiasm in the real world. This sense of community extends beyond social networks, creating a tangible connection among Solana supporters. Strategic partnerships for long-term stability. Solana's vision extends beyond the initial hype that often accompanies meme coins, hence the team is forging partnerships with industry leaders to ensure long-term growth and stability. One such partnership is with Asset Dash, a powerful platform for tracking crypto portfolios and swaps. Solana owners can easily track their Solana assets in a consolidated crypto portfolio, optimizing their investment management experience. Leveraging the power of Solana. For a successful project, a solid foundation is required, and Solana utilizes the strengths of the Solana blockchain, known for its high speeds, low transaction fees, and ongoing development. A robust foundation ensures scalability and adaptability, which are critical for long-term growth in the evolving crypto environment. Solana benefits from the fast transaction processing and low fees inherent to the Solana blockchain, providing a smooth and efficient user experience. Reaching a broader audience, availability on multiple exchanges, the Solana team recognizes that traders' choice is significant, hence they have made considerable efforts to be available on various platforms, meeting diverse preferences and needs of investors. Investors can trade Solana on popular decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Raydium, Jupiter, and Orca, offering an autonomous approach where traders fully control their tokens. For those who prefer the convenience of centralized exchanges, Solana has been added to well-known CEXs like Bitrue, Bitmart, CoinEx, and MAXC, with a launch on BingX coming in a few days. Such availability ensures seamless and convenient trading for all investors, whether they prefer autonomous storage or centralized exchange services. Looking ahead, enhancing accessibility and growth, the growing demand for Solana has not gone unnoticed, and with upcoming listings on top-tier CEXs in May, June, and July, Solana's accessibility and potential for broader adoption will significantly increase. Securitize raises $47 million, Midas secures $45 million. The cryptocurrency industry is attracting an increasing number of institutional players. This is evidenced by new investments in infrastructure and the growing attention companies are paying to Bitcoin as an asset class. Security token issuance technology provider Securitize has closed a $47 million investment round led by asset manager BlackRock. The round also saw participation from Hamilton Lane, Tradeweb Markets, Parify Capital, Aptos Labs, Circle, and Paxos. At BlackRock, we believe that tokenization can lead to significant transformation in capital market infrastructure. Our investments in Securitize are another step in the development of our digital asset strategy, said Joseph Kalem, head of BlackRock Strategic Ecosystem Partnerships, who will join the board of Securitize. In June 2021, the platform raised $48 million from Blockchain Capital and Morgan Stanley Tactical Value. Turkish fintech startup Midas closed a series of funding round of $45 million, led by Portage Ventures with participation from IFC, Spark Capital, Oliba Digital East Fund, and Revo Capital. The platform allows Turkish traders to invest in stocks and bonds on the U.S. market. According to a press release, Midas has a user base of over 2 million people. The funds raised will be used for expansion across the Middle East and the launch of new products, including trading in digital assets. Movement Labs, a studio developing an Ethereum-based L2 solution, closed a series of funding round of $38 million led by Polychain Capital, with participation from Hack VC, Placeholder, Archetype, Maven 11, Robot Ventures, Figment Capital, Nomad Capital, Bankless Ventures, OKX Ventures, DAO5, and Aptos Labs. The funds will be used to expand staff and develop the L2 solution in the Move programming language. The company expects that the launch of the network will significantly increase throughput and eliminate some vulnerabilities in Ethereum smart contracts. Cryptocurrency startup Align Layer closed a series of funding round of $20 million led by Hack VC, supported by Everest Ventures, Symbolic Capital, Nomad Capital, Protagonist, and other venture funds. The funds will be used to expand operations and accelerate the development of the Aligned Layer mainnet. The project is positioned as a universal verification solution for Ethereum. Turnkey, a provider of infrastructure for cryptocurrency wallets, closed a series of funding round of $15 million led by Lightspeed Faction and Galaxy Ventures, with participation from Sequoia, Coinbase Ventures, Alchemy, Figment Capital, Marana Ventures, Anagram, TrueBridge, Asymmetric, Variant, and Gemini. Turnkey is a secure, fast, and flexible wallet infrastructure at the simplest and most secure level. It is a toolkit that developers can use for any solutions related to storing crypto assets, said CEO Bryce Ferguson in a comment to CoinDesk. The project was founded by developers of the custodial service Coinbase Custody. The main client of the provider is the Alchemy platform, which uses the infrastructure to promote its WAS product. The team behind the meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu raised $12 million through a yet-to-be-released token treat, according to the block. The investment was provided by Polygon Ventures, Mechanism Capital, Big Brain Holdings, Shima Capital, Animoca Brands, Morningstar Ventures, Woodstock Fund, DWF Ventures, Stake Capital, and Comma 3 Ventures. The funds will be used to develop a third-level network, L3, based on Sherbarium, focused on privacy. Treat will serve as both a governance and utility token for it. The name of the L3 network is not disclosed to prevent fraud. The launch of the test network is planned for the third quarter of 2024.